Hey guys, so it is week 2 of Esthetician school, day 1, and I'm excited. Kinda not really, honestly. We do have 2 tests, today and tomorrow, but other than that, I'm excited because this is like makeup and body treatment week. So I'm excited for that. Right now it's freaking cold. It's like 26 degrees, which might not be that cold for y'all and other places, but for South Carolina this is pretty cold. So I'm just running to school. I have an apple in my pocket because I couldn't eat breakfast because I didn't have time. So I have an apple in my pocket to eat. So wish me luck for the test. So I just finished day 1 of week 2 of Esthetician school. We were just like shadowing people that have been there for a while, like students, sorry. And also like going over chapter 10 questions because we have a big test because chapter 10 was about like disorders and diseases and stuff. So we were going over that because it's a really hard test. So we have that tomorrow, so I'll be studying, but I have to go to work first. I'm really nervous for the test tomorrow, but tomorrow I think we're doing lash lifting and lash tinting, so that's fun. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Guys, so I'm on my way to school, week 2, day 2, and I am so ready for chapter 10 test. I have it down. I studied so much. I'm waiting for the elevator right now. I didn't straighten my hair today, so it's kind of frizzy, but it's okay. I didn't have enough time. It's fine. But I am very tired. I wanted to get Starbucks coffee, but I'm not gonna have time, so I'm gonna get it after the test. And some like breakfast food, like maybe a scone or something to fill me up until lunch. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Just gonna go to Starbucks, but I ended up going to Southern Squeeze, which is like a juicing place, and I got apple and cranberry juice, which sounds so good. I wanted the pink punch juice, but it's out of season. So this sounds really good for the morning to start off my day. So yeah, and I'm at school now. So let's go test. Hey guys, so I did finish day 2 of week 2. I didn't film walking home just because I just wanted to get home. I was really tired, so I'm sorry about that. But today was so cool. We went over chapter 21, which is about body treatments. And then I also got a facial and a microdermabrasion. One of the teachers demoed, like I was the demo, so like I got it on like a esthetician and not just like a student practicing on me, which is totally fine, but like the student might not know what exactly she's doing, so like my face feels so nice. I just applied makeup, so it just looks very nice, like the foundation part, because microdermabrasion is like sucking up dead skin. So like my skin just feels very smooth and very nice. So yeah. So it is our 3rd day, week 2 for esthetician school. It's not that cold. It is not snowing. It's supposed to snow at 9 and it's 8:30 right now. I don't think so. They said up to 3 inches of snow. Again, I don't think so. But it said it was raining, so I wore a rain jacket. I'm walking to the bank right now because I need to put money in my account. I'm like out of breath, but after that I'm gonna head to school. And today we have a product lady from Image coming in to talk to us, but then we're doing eyebrow tinting and eyelash tinting and lash lifting. So I'll talk to y'all later.
But it was actually voted the #1 acne product in the nation last year, and we didn't even know it was up for contention. She got this result in 4 weeks of just using cream. Do you think your clients would be happy if they saw that kind of result within 4 weeks? Probably so, right? And that's about a 2-month supply in that tube. So they're going to get better results than this.
Guys, so today is week 2, day 4. I'm sorry for not recording on the way home yesterday. I was just rushing for work because I had work immediately after school, so I was rushing to go get ready and stuff. But we didn't really do anything yesterday. We didn't do the lash tinting. We didn't do anything that I said earlier. We just kind of listened to the lady all day, had lunch, and then did book work. So today I think we're going to be doing makeup, which is exciting. I'm really cold. It's 19 degrees out, so I'm going to put my phone away now so I can stay warm. So I am leaving school now. It was pretty cool. We just went over makeup because we're on our makeup chapter. So today the teacher did makeup on people, and then tomorrow we're gonna be doing makeup on people. I'm doing makeup on my friend Lauren, so I'm super excited because I'm really good at makeup, I think. So I'm excited. I'm going home, going to work. I need to wash my makeup brushes. Yeah, nothing really. I don't really have any homework, so I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the last day of week 2. I'm kind of a mess right now, if you can see, but it's okay. I'm gonna keep walking and not trip because I have 2 coffees right now, so I'll talk to y'all later.
Oh, you're from Florida and her husband. They came up for Katie's
What's his
graduation.
name?
Katie. Katie, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, the best thing is being
So I'm leaving the last day of week 2. We did makeup today, airbrush makeup, went over chapter 20. It was pretty fun. It was a fun day. It wasn't much hand-on stuff. Sorry. Like, I'm like dying of like heaviness on my neck right now. But it was really fun. So I'm gonna go to work now, of course. This weekend I'm gonna be studying for 2 chapters, body treatments and makeup. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!